For the other course creators out there thinking about their projects or their projects that they want to bring into this world, let me ask you some timeline and detail questions. Okay. How long was the time period from the idea of let's make a course to the course launch?
Ideation to course launch was 6 months.
6 months. Did you get the LMS technology before or after the course content was created or mostly created or started or whatever?
After. We didn't build the LMS out until everything was done content-wise for the course. So we kind of had an idea of structure of what we wanted it to look like and stuff.
From my observation, because I see a lot of projects, it's always much likelier to have success if you don't get the technology first, work on creating the content, creating the course, and then go shopping for technology. I just notice a much higher probability of success when you do it in that order.